How to turn off safe search mode on Google when it's locked on Android. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we will learn how we can turn off safe search mode on Google if safe search is locked on your Android and you cannot turn it off. So without further delay, let's get started. First method is to disable safe search from your Google settings. So you could open up Google in your device. After that, navigate to your profile icon at the top right, tap on it. Head over to your settings. On the settings, tap on privacy and safety at the top, and there is a safe option for safe search. Now from here you could try to turn it off. But if it's locked or grayed out, then you have to go to the second method. Now the second method is to go to the family link. On your parents' phone, you have to open up the family link, select your child account, tap on control, go to content restriction, and then head over to Google search, tap on safe search, then turn it off. If the family link controls the account, only the parent can unlock it now. Now the next method is to check network level filters. Some Wi-Fi networks may enforce safe search, so you could try to switch between your mobile data or try another network, then again recheck it. And if it is account based, then you could head over to Chrome, then switch to new Incognito tab. Then you could try to turn off the safe search by going to the google.com and onto the preference. So these are some of the ways that will help you turn off safe search mode on Google when it's locked on Android. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.